Developed by Actimage GmbH, the Remote Technical Training Pilot is a video conferencing system based on a multi-user's classroom or lobby in which participants, or trainee, connect and can communicate or interact with their environment. The pilot relies on a multi-user's immersive training environment with secure access, communication features, and scenarios with integrated tutorials. On technical aspects, the pilot also is back on XR server module with mirror networking, authentication and access control integration with Keycloak, and backend for 3D scene storage for course and users info. Rainbow Communication Platform from Alcatel-Lucent enables real-time audio and video. The pilot is designed to deliver immersive VR training sessions structured around the interaction between a trainer and one or more trainees. It supports live instructor-led courses with tools for supervision collaboration and real-time control. The trainer connects using his PC windows in parallel trainees connect using their MetaQuest headset. Then the trainer selects the test course platform, then waits to join the conference in parallel trainees connect to the test course session. As the trainer joins the conference, Trainee 1 is already connected and their webcam is visible. Trainee 0 joins the course and shares their webcam. The trainer clicks on Trainee 0's camera to enlarge it, and we follow Trainee 0's actions while the course loads. When a user loads a lesson, all the necessary components are downloaded to their headset. The video gives an idea of the time required to access the scenario. Excavator scene. Trainee 0 is sent to the multiplayer lobby, looks at Trainee 1, and explores the surroundings. The trainee is expected to validate the instructions displayed at each stage of the scenario in order to complete it. The excavator or digger scene is a simple solo example used early in the training path to immerse the trainee in a realistic context, while allowing them to get comfortable with the basic VR controls. It also provides a light but concrete immersion in a representative environment, enables the trainee to practice movement, interaction, and navigation in VR without pressure, serves as a natural transition between onboarding and more interactive or collaborative modules. This type of scene is ideal to establish user experience fundamentals and boost engagement from the start of the session. It is also a solution for reducing the acquisition of particularly expensive physical training equipment. Tip: Multi-Users Lobby. The Multi-Users Lobby is a visually appealing and immersive space developed by the Infinity Palette. It serves as a social and interactive hub where trainees can meet, explore, and participate in engaging activities while waiting for the training to begin. The Infinity Palette provided to the pilot a high-quality design and environment. Trainees can interact freely and take part in fun, interactive elements within the lobby. The trainer has the ability to share their screen or webcam to explain concepts, provide instructions, or guide the trainees in real time. This lobby enhances the overall learning experience by combining social interaction, engagement, and instructor-led guidance in a seamless virtual setting. Trainee 0 is sent to the multiplayer lobby, looks at Trainee 1, and explores the surroundings by jumping through the controllers. The trainer shares the webcam. The trainer shares his desktop, LN the Blackboard. Trainee 0 checks the IoT device and observes that values change in real time. Game room. Trainee 0 moves to the game room. Trainee 0 and explores the surroundings by jumping through the controllers. The trainer can freeze or unfreeze the controllers of Trainee 0. The trainer can mute or unmute users globally or individually. Trainee 0 becomes familiar with picking up an object and throwing it. The trainer switches the scene. Trainee 0 and Trainee 1 move from the lobby to the first aid simulation. The platform supports multi-user training sessions, where several trainees participate simultaneously in the same course. The trainer has full control over the session, including the ability to assign roles and interaction permissions to trainees. This allows the trainer to manage who can interact with objects, perform tasks, or contribute during the course, ensuring smooth coordination and focused learning. Our example scene is the cardiopulmonary resuscitation simulation, where trainees practice first aid gestures in a realistic and interactive VR environment, receive hands-on training with the trainer able to grant interaction rights for an immersive, supervised experience, engage in collaborative exercises designed to build confidence and proficiency in emergency response. Trainee 0 and explores the surroundings by jumping through the controllers. The trainer shows the option to invite Kova into the course. The trainer grants interaction permissions to Trainee 0. Trainee 0 starts the CPR simulation and takes into account the instructions given to him in the teaching windows. Trainee 0 must place the defibrillator as close as possible to the victim. Trainee 0 must designate the areas of the body where the electrodes should be placed. Trainee 0 begins the cardiac massage by following the rhythm of the music and applying downward pressure. Trainee 0 moves away from the victim while the defibrillator delivers an electric shock, then resumes chest compressions in time with the music.